Today's market was a very emotional one. Like, I'm emotionally downcast, I am heartbroken and overwhelmed. Begin by seasoning the beef with some bouillon cubes and salt. You can add more seasoning depending on your taste. Add some water to let this cook properly and cover. Add the blended peppers and onions into the beef and let it cook for a bit. It has cooked for 5 minutes. Add your pomo. Add your stockfish immediately as well and let this cook for a bit. Now you can see it in its glory. Oh my god. So it's time to add the snail. Once the snail goes in, I like to add my crayfish immediately just to add enough seasoning to this particular stock, because I wouldn't be adding anything else to the main food. Dried catfish goes in last just to make sure it doesn't break inside the stock. Add the remaining peppers, just give it a quick stir and let this cook. It's worthy to note that vegetable soup doesn't need water, so you have to make sure that the water in your stock is completely dry. In a fresh pot, add some palm oil and let this heat up for a bit. Now, you can add your water leaf and let this fry for a few minutes. Gently stir as this goes on. It's important to season this particular portion of the food because this lets the seasoning sink into the oil before you add your proteins. You give this a quick stir, and once it is all incorporated, you can add your ugu or pumpkin leaves into this and mix it very well. And just like that, our soup is ready. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos.